Alright guys, so we're out here, we're at a college doing work. Major water main break. Bubbling right there. Bubbling right there. More bubbling. Look at that. Just look at that current, that flow. More bubbling. More bubbling. That's crazy.
Yeah, it seems to be heaving the heaviest through here.
Yeah.
I plan on cutting this off right here and try and look for the line.
Alright.
But now it's showing me it's like all the same level of water coming out. The question is it just a static pressure that's coming up out of the crack because it can? Or is that the first break point, or is it right here? I'm actually thinking, by how it's heaving right here, I'm gonna dig right here. This is gonna be my first point of dig, right here. This is where all the action's coming out, right here. See that?
Yeah.
I plan on running these barricades down through here, all the way down, cutting on an angle right here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this is gonna be our total work area right here.
Right.
And then I'm thinking about, yeah, I'll leave the trailer sitting right there.
Yeah. And then the water keeps flowing. The water onto the pavement, through the grass, onto the sidewalk, down through here. Down through here. Oh my gosh. This is gnarly. Down through here. Look at all that water. Look at this. Look at this water stream. This is all from the water main break. That's cool though. Cool little pond. Someone threw a pumpkin in there. Oh yeah. That's a crazy flow. Okay, I just got my socks all wet. Nice. Nice, Shane, nice. Just got my socks all wet. Yikes. Yep, look at that. Got my socks and shoes all wet. Alright, he's setting up construction tape over there. We're gonna set up a line of barricades coming all the way down here and onto the corner. And then, yeah, redirects traffic to this side only, because we're gonna be working on this side, fixing the water main break. It's a pretty bad water main break, as you guys can see.
When you find more than two, you're gonna be two.
We're out here. This is the other machine we got. We're gonna be using this machine for over there. So this will be a pretty fun job. What are you doing right there? What are you doing right there? Where are you? What are you doing there? Alright guys, this is gonna be the cool part of the job. We're gonna be using the backhoe as like a crane. You'll see, you'll see.
So let me get this.
Alright.
You're gonna have to come up here, lift the chain, and I'm gonna hook it
Alright.
with the machine.
Okay.
We'll try to sit right there, not too bad. Grab it right here, like this.
So this is what I'm gonna do.
And I'm gonna hook it.
Alright.
I think we'll be alright.
that video, please leave a like and subscribe up here and watch part 2 down here.